Hello, my name's Chris Pappas and I'm the dealer principal of Harley-Heaven Sydney. I've worked here for just over 4 years. Working with Harley-Heaven and with Harley-Davidson motorcycle made a dream come true. Where else do you get to make a passion into a reality and build custom bikes like this, where you can fall in love and cruise down the freeway on a beast like these? There's something that I really want to show you. This is where our dreams come true. Come over here, I really want to show you this special breakout. Here's an example of what we can do. 26 front end, brake currents, kit, custom pipes, chain conversions, custom seats. We do it all here at Harley-Heaven Sydney. A little bit about myself. I've spent 20 years in the industry and 12 of those years in the motorcycle industry. I found my true calling and became a dealer principal and the dealer principal of Harley-Heaven Sydney. What a dream. We have over 32 staff working here at Harley-Heaven Sydney, from merchandise to sales to service. If there's one place you've got to buy a Harley from, it's from us. If you need anything, you come and see me and I promise I'll look after you.